Hi, everyone! I'm so excited! Today we're building a magical Play-Doh castle. Are you ready? First, let's roll out a big flat piece for our castle base. Did you know the first Play-Doh was actually used to clean wallpaper? Now, let's make some sturdy towers. You can use a small cup to cut out tall, round cylinders like these. Stack them up at the corners. Castles used to have real drawbridges to keep everyone safe inside. Time for the roofs! Roll some red cones and place them right on top of our towers. It's coming together! It's looking amazing! Let's add some tiny windows and a big front door using our carving tools. Did you know some castles had over 100 rooms? Ours is just the right size for a Play-Doh king or queen. Wow, you did a great job! Remember, keep crafting and keep smiling. See you next time for more Play-Doh fun!